Designed by Sir Giles Gilbert Scott and conceived as first of the new superstations, Battersea Power Station is one of the world's best-loved landmarks, serving Britain with electricity for over 50 years. Following the power station's closure in 1983, this great industrial monument is now being fully redeveloped into retail, office space and residential properties. Part of the project is to rebuild the river wall, originally dating back to 1850. Commissioned to lead the complex task of cleaning and restoring the river wall, Thomann-Hanry have immersed themselves into a new field, out of the ordinary cleaning and restoration of buildings. Holding the original plans of the wall provided by the Environment Agency, one of Thomann-Hanry's first tasks was to identify the damage caused by the growth of the invasive non-native plant species Buddleia. The Buddleia is fed by an arterial root, and the arterial root has embedded itself behind the initial courses of brick. So as the root system grows and moves, it forces the bricks out, causing a collapse. To repair the flood defences, an important part of the project was to preserve the ecosystem. To minimise the disruption to the wall and to the site, Thomann-Hanry worked from Palfinger truck mounts and not from scaffolding. This enabled the operatives to keep working just above the waterline as the tide came in and therefore maximise productivity on site. Working against the river walls, Thomann-Hanry operatives faced the issues of the weather, tide, currents and obviously the conflicts you may face with boat traffic and wash. So from a risk perspective, this was one of the most complex projects to put together. With a large number of stakeholders including the Marine Maritime Agency and the Environment Agency, Thomann-Hanry had to work with them very closely. The rivers are controlled by the Port of London Authority, and to work on the water the entire team was trained to commercial operator standards. There was a very detailed assessment of risk for Thomann-Hanry operatives, as every type of risk had to be considered, from working at height to working over water. A second truck mount was placed on site, and in the event that one truck mount failed, it gave the team a second means of recovery. Thomann-Hanry are proud to be involved in the rejuvenation of one of Britain's greatest architectural treasures, now the centrepiece of this remarkable destination development. If you come across projects to repair flood defences, Thomann-Hanry have the expertise and the resources to help.